Okay, so I just started on my third horror, no, not my third, my fourth horror baby doll. And I didn't get far. I had this idea in my head for this specific doll, so I wanted to see if it would work out. So here's what I have so far. Okay, so some of the movies that like really creeped me out as a kid were the Scream movies. So I wanted to do Ghostface, and actually I have a friend that requested me to do Ghostface because she wanted to buy it off of me. So I don't know if this one will be kind of like my test run, and then I'll make one for her, or if I'll just make this one for her. But I knew I would have to manipulate the face somehow to get the shape of Ghostface's mask. So I actually had 2 packs of this modeling clay that I got from Dollar Tree, and I just took both of the white clays and I flattened them out with my rolling pin. And I did it on some cardboard, but also some wax paper so that it wouldn't stick. And I just kind of shaped it to the face. And so far, I mean, it looks weird, but I mean, you can tell it's the shape of his mask. I'm just, I'm gonna have to paint his face on and everything, but so far, so good. I am happy with how it looks thus far. I started the process of painting in black. Clearly I'm not done, but I will film more later when I have time to work on him again. Alright, so I showed you guys how I took modeling clay that I had and, made it into the shape that I needed for Ghostface's mask. And then I went ahead and just painted his whole body black because I am still deciding what I'm going to do, because of course he also has a hood, and I'm working on using some fabric to try to make his ensemble, if you will. So I think I'm going to go ahead and go in with some white to cover the clay and a little bit more of the head, just so that, it looks like a full mask. So that is what I plan to start doing right now. Alright, so instead of going right in with paint, I thought I would take more of the clay and kind of outline the eyes and the nose and the mouth, because in the photos that I looked up, of Ghostface and from the Scream movies, they're, where the white is, or the black is for his eyes and nose and mouth, it's like raised a little bit around it. So I know this is looking a little scary, but that's what I decided to do. So I just shaped the clay like the eyes and the nose and the mouth, and then I will paint it all white, and then once that dries, I will go in and paint the eyes, the nose, and the black, and the mouth black. Sorry, it is late, so I'm not speaking totally correctly, but, hopefully he's gonna turn out okay. So now I will go in with the white paint. Okay, so I feel like horror baby number 4 is coming along pretty well. Like I said, I just need to let the white paint dry, and then I can go over his eyes and nose and mouth with black. And then I am trying to brainstorm how to make his outfit, if you will, because it's basically like just this long black dress with a black hood, and then it has like tassel-y things that hang off of the arms. So I am trying to figure out how I'm gonna make that work, but I really want to make it work because that is Scream's look. So I'm gonna give this a little while. I may end up just letting it dry overnight because it is 1:30 and tomorrow is a school day, so I don't want to be up that much later. So I will probably end up doing more of this tomorrow, and of course I will take you guys along with me. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying these DIYs. They are definitely different than what I've ever done before, and they're definitely really fun. And I feel like my creativity is like really coming out while I'm making these. So it's making me happy. But I will also start doing some just plain like fall decor or DIYs. That way it's not just gory, scary babies, because again, I know that's not everybody's cup of tea and what, you know, they're gonna make, or, you know, I know a lot of people don't care for scary movies, so I will do some other fun stuff as well. So I think for the moment, I'm gonna end this here, and once I pick back up again, to finish up Ghostface, you all will be right along with me. So I'll talk to you guys again really soon. Alright, I went ahead and painted the black on the eyes and the nose and the mouth. I definitely think it will need another coat of white, but I will definitely be waiting to do that tomorrow. I know it looks so weird right now, but I'm still going to be modifying it and hoping to make it look as best as I can. Alright guys, so this is the before, and this is the finished product of Ghostface, aka Scream. I think it turned out pretty good, but I'm not as happy with him as I am these guys. So, I don't know. I don't know if there's anything I could change about it or just completely try doing it over, but you guys can let me know what you think. But I mean, it is Ghostface. Alright, here is Ghostface all finished. I don't think he is too bad, but I feel like I could have done a little bit better. It was my first time really working with clay, but I think he's pretty good for my first try. And I had black fabric that I used for his robe, so that's what I did there. So again, this was before and this is after. Mr. Ghostface himself. I hope you guys enjoyed me making Ghostface. He's definitely not my favorite out of the 4 I've made so far, but I know I can always improve him, but it's a learning process, especially when you're working with clay and different materials than I had been working with before. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and stay tuned for some more fall/Halloween DIYs.